Hello and welcome to my first video, a quick tour of RStudio. My name is Matin and today I'm going to show you how to import your data from Excel into the R and how to create your first plot in RStudio. You first need to install your RStudio. As you can see here, RStudio has got 4 windows. Source, one of them is source, and environment. Environment shows different objects that has been created, such as vectors, matrices, data frames, or any other commands that you created will be shown in the environment. Also, we have console, which is the heart of RStudio, and it actually evaluates all the codes that is written here. We also have files, plot, and packages. Just remember that you need to install some packages that you need and also tick them off before writing your codes or importing your data from any files. So in the environment, I import my data from my Excel. So I just need to upload my data, which is an Excel file, into the screen. As you can see here in the left top corner, you can see this link shows the exact location of file. There are some other options that we need to check them out before importing data. You can see here my table has got ID, sex, groups, and NFT, which is protein. So ID is a scale variable, so we need to change it into the numeric because it's a scale. Sex and groups are factors, so the variable type would be character, and also NFT is scale, so we need to actually change it to numeric. There is another option, for example, for this session, I don't need sex, so I just skip that. So in the data that is imported, I don't actually have sex anymore. So for now, I just need to change my actually data name to my data, and everything is fine. But here we don't go for importing data by just clicking on import. We just need this code. So we just need to copy this code by clicking on copy and then cancel the tab. And then we come to the console and paste the code here. Just let's take a look at the code before running the code. Here is my data, which is my object. Here is read Excel, which is my function, and the link that the link of my file, and that finally the different types of variable. Let's run this code, and as you can see here in the environment, new object is created, which is my data, and also I have my table in the source without sex. So let's make our first plot by just using ggplot, which is one of the packages of tidyverse. So I need just enter my data, and then aesthetic, and my x-axis will be groups, and my y-axis would be NFT, which is my protein. Here I want to just make my first box plot, so I directly go to the geom box plot and then run the code. Let's see what happened. Here we go. We have our first box plot. And ggplot is able to make different types of plots, for example, bar chart, box plot, line plot, heat map, every single plots that you think you can actually create by ggplot packages. So let's make another plot. I would like to make a bar chart here. Again, I just put my data, aesthetic, and my x-axis would be groups. My y-axis would be my protein, and I go for Joan bar, as you can see here, but here I need to be more specific. For example, for position, I use position dodge because I want actually my columns to be side by side, and also my stat should be identity. Let's run this code. Let's see what happened. Here we go. We have two plots by importing this data from Excel. So yeah, that's all. And then if you want to export your plots, you can just easily export them and save them into the file. I hope you enjoyed this video.